The right light can change everything. Not all of us can have a penthouse apartment with 360-degree light and views, so let's find out which light works best for you. First up, there's northern light. This light is calm and steady, minimizing harsh shadows. It's perfect if you need a consistent, soothing environment, ideal for artists and photographers and all of you introverts out there. Next, there's southern light. It's direct and bright all day long. Best for those who work from home, people who love to garden, and for the extroverts and social butterflies. Then there's eastern light. This rises early and is less intense. It's fantastic for all of those who love a calming, relaxing atmosphere. It's obviously great for morning people and all of you introverts out there. And then finally, there's western light. This light is dramatic and picturesque. It's ideal if you work late, love entertaining, and love your sunsets. Perfect for all of you extroverted night owls. So what light is right for you? Whether you need direct, calm, bright, or picturesque, choose the light that suits you best. Need help finding the right home with the best light? Contact us today for personalized advice.